The clock goes tick-tock, what's the time today? Let's look at the hands, they're leading the way. The minute hand moves, the hour hand too. Learning time on the clock, how about you? The clock says hello, it's 1 o'clock now. It's noon in time, let's make a vow. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, let's count them all. Learning time on the clock is fun and tall. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, the time moves so fast. We're learning new things that will always last. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, let's play and sing. Learning time is a special thing. Learning time on the clock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Every minute's a chance to learn and rock. From a.m. morning to the day so bright. Learning time on the clock feels right. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, it's time for more. It's p.m. now, let's open that door. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, here we go. Learning time on the clock makes us glow. Now it's 12 o'clock, the day's complete. We learn so much, it's quite a treat. The clock keeps ticking, we're never done. Learning time on the clock is so much fun. Learning time on the clock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Every minute's a chance to learn and rock. From a.m. morning to the day so bright. Learning time on the clock feels right. The sun is setting, it's evening time. We learn so much, it's been so fine. The stars are out, the moon will rise. It's time to sleep, but look at the skies. The clock's still ticking, the time won't stop. It's learning time and we're on top. We'll see the sunrise and the morning light. Learning time on the clock is always right. Learning time on the clock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Every minute's a chance to learn and rock. From a.m. morning to the day so bright. Learning time on the clock feels right.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.